next 2 minutes, I'll cover the entire biological classification. R.H. Whitaker finally gave the 5 kingdom classification. So the first kingdom, Kingdom Monera, includes unicellular prokaryotic organisms, for example bacteria and cyanobacteria, that do not have a well-defined nucleus and nuclear membrane. The second kingdom is Kingdom Protista, which includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms which have a well-defined nucleus and a well-defined nuclear membrane. Examples include amoeba, which uses pseudopodia to move, paramecium, which uses cilia for its movement. The third kingdom is Kingdom Fungi, which includes multicellular heterotrophic organisms that obtain energy by decomposing the dead organic matter. Their body is made up of various thread-like structures known as hyphae, which together form a network-like structure which is known as mycelium. They reproduce mainly by spore production, and their cell walls is made up of chitin, not cellulose. The fourth kingdom, Kingdom Plantae, includes multicellular autotrophic organisms that can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis and using the pigment chlorophyll. Their mode of reproduction is sexual as well as asexual. Their cell wall is made up of cellulose and they have specialized tissues and organs. Example starts from the simple plants like mosses and ferns to the complex flowering plants like mango trees. And the last kingdom, Kingdom Animalia, includes multicellular heterotrophic organisms that lack a cell wall. They are motile and have complex body organizations. Their mode of reproduction is mainly sexual. Examples include birds, fish, insects, mammals, etc. And that is the biological classification. If you want my short notes and the mnemonics for this chapter, just comment bio and I'll DM you.